Hello, in today's video I'm gonna be cleaning my roof with wet and forget. So I'm gonna show you how it's done, and then later I'm gonna track the progress within next 3 months, because I think that's how long it takes before it's gonna get clean. Morning again. So it's morning in Florida. I'm gonna be cleaning my roof. It looks like it was raining a little bit yesterday, so a little recap. I'm gonna give you the links to in the bottom of my video. I already did about 6 rows over here with wet and forget in a hand spray, but today I'm gonna be using the big old bottle that you connect to the hose. So this is the product I'm gonna be using. It's supposedly be easier to use. Why? Because all you have to do is just connect your garden hose over here. So this tip would be good for decks and driveways, because you can reach short area but you need a wider span, and if you want to spray your roof, so you need farther distance to reach, then you use just this tip. What you need to know is on the top you have a couple of settings. So here's off, and then if you rotate it, you're going to have just the water. So if you later want to reach something, you don't need to disconnect your hose. So you go to water, 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 and then all the way to the right is when you start applying the product. Okay, so let's connect it and start using it. All right, so this is how you connect it. Now it's time to go on the roof and start working. Technically you shouldn't be even standing on the roof. You can do it from the ladder, but because this area right here, it's kind of in the corner, I'm standing on my roof and I want to start working from here. So let me see how far it's going to reach. Okay, so it does reach pretty good, and I'm gonna go dispense the product. So now I can see some foam actually building. You need to be a little bit closer. This has a pretty good reach, but I still have to be on the roof to actually get it. Maybe my pressure is not too high, but I definitely have to be on the roof to reach. Entire area. Says it only reaches up to my skylight. It's definitely much easier to apply than using a garden sprayer, because this really allows you to work quickly and more efficiently. Now I'm standing kind of at the level of my ladder, and this is the reach that I have. So I cannot reach the top of my roof. I'm gonna shut it off. To apply it is pretty easy. This is kind of awkward when you have to rotate it on and off. It would be easy if we have some kind of I need to maybe have a spray. So for this part of roof I used about, I don't know, 2/3 of the bottle. So we'll see in about 2 or 3 months if this is actually wet and forget, or it's just forget. So to do this whole roof, this and this part, I use this one bottle. So it lasts for a long time, has a good coverage, easy to use. Now we'll see if it's actually gonna be working. I also want to point out that to do my entire roof, which is about probably 2,000 square feet. My house is around 13, but of course roof is a little bit bigger. So to do the all front, back, and this over the garage, it took 2 bottles of wet and forget outdoor rapid application, and those bottles are 48 ounces. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so this is my wet and forget test. It's end of March 2026, and I'll give you an update in about a month, and 2 and 3 we'll see what's going to be a result of this clean. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.